Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain to everyone that our appointment templates are divided into two types. The first type is what we call auto booking, which means your time slots are fixed, and then we let the AI propose the times on its own. The second type is when your time slots are fixed, but you need to assess the situation and help the customer make the booking yourself. Okay, so let's first look at the first scenario. You can see that in this template, okay, you can see here that we have a conversation. When a customer comes in, they will say hi. And as usual, we will ask them some questions. Okay, ask them what industry they are in. If they say e-commerce, okay, then we will have a certain process to follow, a standard operating procedure. You can ask them whether they use WhatsApp or Messenger. Then if the customer says Messenger or something like that, we will give them some explanations. And here we collect some information from them, such as the company name and how many customers they have, that sort of thing. Then at this stage, we ask them if they are using any chatbots or similar tools. So you can see here, during the process of chatting with the customer, we are actually collecting their company information. Do you see that? You see, no means that we haven't collected the data yet. So once we've collected the company name and the number of customers, it will be recorded here. Okay, then here we ask if they are using a chatbot. If they say no, then we've already finished collecting all the information, and then we send them some videos to watch and ask if they want to make an appointment. Okay, so if they say they want to make an appointment, we let the AI propose some times for them. We pull available times from the calendar to show the customer. Then I ask them which time slot would be more convenient for them. If the customer tells you their preferred time, we will confirm with them whether they want to make the booking on that day. If they say yes, at this point, we will send them a confirmation. Okay, so throughout this whole process, we let the AI handle 100% of the booking for you. So it will send the appointment confirmation to the customer. So next, all the reminders can be automatically sent out from here. So you don't have to manually remind the customers anymore. Okay, as you can see, after we send the appointment confirmation just now, there will be a reminder sent 24 hours before, and then another reminder sent 1 hour before the appointment. Okay, so if you want to change any of the times, you can add them yourself. So in this video, I'll be talking to you about this, okay, which is related to the auto booking feature. So if you fall into this category, after watching this introduction, you can go straight to the auto booking section. Okay, so as for manual booking, that will be explained in our next video where we'll cover how to do manual booking. So what you need to remember is that for appointments, we have these two sections, which are two different situations. Okay, so now let's talk about the second system, which is the manual booking appointment system. So if today you fall under manual booking, as I mentioned earlier, meaning you are handling things in the usual way and need to help customers make appointments, then you will come to this flow here, okay? So here, all you need to do is switch and select the overall manual booking option. So originally, it might show as auto booking here, okay, but you can select manual booking here. So let's take a look at how the manual booking process actually works. So first, here's an example. When we type hi to start, the AI will begin by introducing itself and asking what industry you're in. So let's say I say I'm in e-commerce, then the AI will chat with you and respond accordingly. Okay, these replies we're talking about are written within your steps. Okay, so you can see that over here at the back, there's something like a note. This is not visible to the customer. We'll use it to collect information from the customer. Okay, so what you can see is that, let's say it asks us for things like the company name, how many customers, and after we provide that information, okay, then here it will ask us, okay, it will ask whether we've used any chatbot systems before. If we say no, okay, it will send us some videos to watch. Okay, so here you can change some of the settings you want. Okay, and then here it starts asking if you're interested in making an appointment. Okay, so if let's say a customer is interested, they might ask, is next Monday okay? So you can see here, our appointment time starts to capture the time the customer wants. Okay, and then they can provide their name. So the next thing we need to capture is the name, right? So when we say is next Monday okay, if they say yes, we ask, may I have your name please? Then I'll help you make the appointment. So if I say Alex here, then we've collected all this information, right? So if this customer is interested, after we've collected all the information, they will be moved to our board here, okay, and they will appear under pending appointment. So when you need to help the customer confirm the time or arrange the appointment, you can come to this board, click refresh, and you'll be able to see your record here. So what do you need to do at that point? You just open up this customer, take a quick look at the conversation, and then confirm the time with the customer yourself. Okay, if you confirm everything is okay, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is come here to find the appointment link, okay, and then just help the customer make the booking yourself. Okay, you can just come here, open the calendar system, and help them select the time yourself. Okay, so after you've picked the time and booked it for them, okay, let's say after you've helped them make the booking, okay, they'll receive a notification here in appointment confirmation. See, so they'll receive an appointment confirmation. Okay, so after receiving the appointment confirmation, this is also a reminder that will, let's say you received the appointment confirmation and also upcoming reminders. You can set it so that, for example, an hour before, however long before, a reminder will be sent out. Okay, so basically this is a manual system, manual booking system. This template has already been set up. Okay,